YouTube. Another video from Radio Nut R. It is 0218 UTC. There's a strange signal found. Touch my, I won't hear it. Anybody knows what this is? Let me know. Listen how wide it is. That is 22 kcs wide. I'll shift it to all the modes so you can hear it. "22 kcs wide." Now that's a wide signal. I thought it might be something electrical here in the house, but it's not. Turned everything off except power to the radio. There's nothing in my house. Might be something coming in from outside, but if anybody has any ideas on it, let me know. Let's listen to it again. Anyway, that's a weird one. Anyone know what that might be or have any idea what it might be? Let me know. As you can see, the radio is a Kenwood R1000. The antenna is 80-foot long wire with 9-to-1 un, and at about 50 feet. Thanks for watching my video.